Rhubarb, these fan-shaped leaves and long, but that's a plant. It's a plant. Rhubarb has large fan-shaped leaves and long green edible ખાઈ શકાય એવા stalk એટલે એની પેલી જે ડાળી. In the north of England, a cold winter is good news for some and not just snowmen and woolly hat makers. According to Yorkshire farmer David Westwood, this year's forced rhubarb is the best for years. Westwood, a softly spoken Yorkshireman, should know. He's been growing and selling rhubarb for 62 years since he started picking on the farms. Age 11. His son Jonathan works on the farm too, making him the 6th generation, right? Lambe ચાલ્યું આવે of Westwoods, બરાબર, to grow the pink stems or petioles as they are otherwise known, right? Long-standing family business. Right? The extra time worth it નથી. The preferred rhubarb for consumers નથી. Yorkshire's declining air quality નથી. Observing the selection process નથી. A possible beginning નથી. અને long standing family business, right? So long standing family business. Okay. We meet at his farm a few miles from the city of Wakefield, which means the cities of Bradford and points of rhubarb triangle, the heart of the British rhubarb industry. It doesn't grow as well anywhere else, right? Insists Westwood. He has a number of theories as to why this is. The loam soil on a clay base is perfect for roots or crowns, right? This is the best place. In Victorian times, when rhubarb popularity was at its peak, the local coal mines provided cheap fuel, right? So fuel they could get from the local coal mines, ખાણમાંથી, a crucial part of forcing process which involves depriving the plants. Deprive એટલે એનાથી દૂર કરવું of light as they develop. At the same time, the effluents from the industry enrich the soil for farmers. On the top of that, according to Westwood, the high levels of pollution in the air would have been ideal for the rhubarb, as the rhubarb loves soot. બરાબર? હવે જો એર ક્વોલિટી, બરાબર, બટ અહીં શું છે બિલકુલ કે આ જે છે આ વાત કરે છે એ વખતે આ બેસ્ટ પ્લેસ હતું. આની જે સોઇલ છે એ પરફેક્ટ હતી. અહીંયા જે કોલ માઇનમાંથી એમને પેલી હીટ મળતી હતી. તો બેઝિકલી મને એવું લાગે છે આ જે છે એર ડિક્લાઇનિંગ વાળું એ મે બી કદાચ બીજામાં આવી શકે. અથવા આ રાખીએ, બરાબર. ડી છે એની અંદર યા તો 3 નંબર ક્યાં તો 7 નંબર, બંને લખી રાખી છે, પછી જોઈશું. The Westwood farm produces both the greenish outdoor rhubarb, the kind that grows well in gardens all over the country, and the startlingly, surprisingly pink forced rhubarb. It's this that is the cream of the crop. બરાબર, આમાંનું cream of the crop, આ જે પાક થાય છે, upper class of the rhubarb family. Forced rhubarb is one of the most likely to convert rhubarb haters who have been traumatized by harshly flavored school pies made from green overgrown outdoor stems. The slender magenta spears with a sherbet tangy flavor and delicate texture are a far cry from that coarse bitter stuff. It is also a rare local fruit at a time when imports dominate, and a welcome splash of color in the dark, drab lit winter months. બરાબર, આમ no wonder chefs and food writers have fallen in love with forced rhubarb all over the world. It's enjoying a remarkable renaissance. For only 20 years ago, it was in such decline that Westwood, one of the 12 left from a peak of, was considering abandoning it.
And then the best region for forced rhubarb.
નહીં, આમાં જે છે the preferred rhubarb for consumers. So, Westwood's farm produces both greenish outdoor rhubarb, the kind that grows well in the gardens, and startlingly pink. It's this that is the cream of the crop. Upper class, બરાબર. Forced is one of the most likely to convert rhubarb haters જેને રૂબાબ નથી ગમતું ખાવાવાળા એને માટે આ મસ્ત છે. તો સ્લેન્ડર મેગેજેન્ડા ફિયર આરે ફાર કરે કન્ઝ્યુમર એટલે એને કન્ઝ્યુમ કરવાવાળા ખાવાવાળા. ઇટ્સ ઓલ્સો રેર લોકલ ફૂડ એન્ડ ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ્સ. બરાબર. તો સીમાં મને 2 લાગે છે, જોઈએ પછી. બરાબર. Okay, now there are certainly simpler ways to grow food. First, the plant roots or crowns are grown outside for more than 2 years. Around 2 વર્ષનો time લાગે છે. Then at the start of that third winter, they are left in the ground until it is cold enough to break the crowns dormancy. This is one of the factors that gives about the edge over imports from the Netherlands, which arrive in the country in the seen stealing couple of weeks before the Yorkshire crop. To bring them to market that early, the Dutch crowns are fed with gibberellic acid to replace the hormones naturally generated by a period of cold weather. Westwood is relaxed on the subject of the imported rhubarb, remarks only, "It's good looking all right, but the flavor's nowhere near." Back in Yorkshire, sometime around the middle of November, the crowns are dug up, transferred to shades with earthen floors and water. The light is blocked out completely and heating is turned on. In the warm and dark, shoots appear so quickly that birds can be heard gently popping. Within 3 weeks or so, the first round of picking or pulling, as it's known, can begin. ટાઈમ જે છે ને એમાં વધારે લાગે છે, બટ એક્સ્ટ્રા ટાઈમ ઇઝ વર્થ ઇટ. In Westwood's 1920s rhubarb shades, it is pitch black. I slip and slide on the narrow troughs that serve as paths between beds of rhubarb town. It's a relief when a team of pullers, બરાબર, સિલેક્ટ કરવાવાળા પુલર આવે છે, and all local men, some of whom have been working for Westwood for 40 years. Each carries a sturdy candle and their pale flickering light, બરાબર. ફ્લિકરિંગ, પેલ એટલે આમ આછી, ફ્લિકરિંગ એટલે આમ પેલું ફ્લિકર થયા કરે. Light reveals a sea of yellow leaves stretching 40 meters to the far wall. Man walks the bed plucking, pluck કરે છે, બરાબર, the satiny stems expertly, બરાબર, choosing, selecting only the ones that have reached the length of an arm. Right? Selection જે પ્રોસેસ છે, બરાબર. તો આ પેલો ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરે છે, ઓબ્ઝર્વિંગ ધ સિલેક્શન પ્રોસેસ. 4 નંબર છે, બરાબર. So was this arcane, બરાબર, બહુ ઓલ્ડ કોલ્ડ ડાર્ક હીટ પ્રોસેસ ઇન યુઝ સિન્સ વિક્ટોરિયન ટાઈમ્સ ડિસ્કવર્ડ. આ કેવી રીતે શોધાઈ? Westwood stories appealingly earthy. A gardener threw an old crown onto the horse stable muck pile. બરાબર, the manure was hot and the plant was soon covered. બરાબર, the stable boy must have been puzzled by the startling pink spears that came pushing through the dirt. A week or two later, happily. Okay, તો આ જે બિગિનિંગ છે, આવી રીતે આ શરૂઆત થઈ હતી. બરાબર, 5 નંબર. Think a possible beginning. Now let's look at the answers. Right? C. First 6, બરાબર, ફર્સ્ટમાં 6, બીજામાં 7, right? બરાબર, ધ બેસ્ટ રિજન વાળું, રાઈટ. પછી ત્રીજામાં 2, એક 1, બરાબર, પછી 4 એટલે IV, બરાબર છે, અને 5, રાઈટ. ઓલ આર કરેક્ટ.